Hey guys, so what I'm doing today I'm super excited for. It's a Temu haul I've been holding on to. I've gotten a couple packages and I wanted to film it all in one for you guys. So we're just gonna start out by showing these super cute panda stickers. These were so cheap and I wasn't expecting it to be such a big sheet. I can't wait to use those. Here we have a charm box and I'm super happy with this. As you'll see, it's super full, all really cute charms that I'll definitely use in so many sets. They're so cute, exactly what I was looking for. Really, really happy with this purchase. They never let me down with their charms. Here we have a little pack of multicolored and multi-sized flat back pearls. Really super cute. I can't wait to use them. Here's another flat back, same type, multi-size pearls, and they're white. Really, I got them so I could paint eyeballs on them. Here's some little hearts, white hearts. Then I also got a multicolored pack of hearts. I can't wait to use these. I have a really, really cool set planned. Here's some nail chains. They're gold and silver, different types mixed. I can't wait to use these also. I've been watching a lot of Korean nail videos, so I have so many ideas. Oh, this right here is one of those little lamps that cure down your, what are they called? They cure stuff down flat so it's not jagged. Here we have another pack of mixed charms, super cute. Some nail stickers. This is a pack of, I think, 7 or 8 sheets. So cute. I absolutely love the ones with the eyes and the snakes. Some white ones, which are different. I don't have anything like these, so I was definitely glad to find them. They look like really nice quality as well. Gold ones, very cute. I love all of these. Black ones. Some more gold, and another sheet of black. Definitely gonna get a lot of good use out of those. Next item, what do we have here? Oh, this is a 3D carving gel. They sell it in a pack of like a million colors, but when I placed my order, it was sold out. So here's the black. It looks very nice. I've never used anything like that before, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. And here we have another one of those 3D carving gels, and this one is white. Let's see, what am I gonna grab now? Nail tips gel, clear. This is just a squeezable solid nail glue gel. I didn't open it because I already have one opened like that, but I just wanted to try that out as well. Okay, here we have this is like a holographic laser gel polish, but in a pot. I'm gonna open it up, and as you'll see, it's gonna take me a second, but just bear with me. Yep, of course it pushed down like that. So we're gonna have to pull it up, get it on our hands, of course. Exactly what I didn't want to do, but it was definitely worth it because look how beautiful that is. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to use it. I probably could have edited this out, but you know what? I don't like editing, so I left it in. And now I'm wiping off my hands with alcohol because I'm crazy and I can't have uncured gel on my hand for like more than 1 second. But we will continue on. Here we go. I was so excited to get this. Look at how big this is. I hope it works how I want it to. It's a hard non-white top coat and it's supposed to be thick. I didn't open it up because I didn't, but I will let you know how it is. I'm just showing that for size comparison. That is a really big tub. I'm so excited to use that. And here we have a non-stick solid builder nail gel and it's Aurora. Wait until you guys see this. I'm planning on using this in my next set because I watched a video by Anne Elizabeth who I've been absolutely loving, and she used something similar and it just really inspired me. So I just so happened to order this and it was perfect timing. This didn't have a seal or anything, but it looks absolutely perfect. Look at how beautiful that is. I cannot wait to use it. And it's a really, really nice sized tub. This pretty much looks like a dupe of what brand makes those? Is it Macart? I don't know. Somebody came out with a line of those solid builder gels, but they're all in colors. This is just a giant tub of solid builder gel. I had to get this. I didn't open it because it's sealed, and I have one opened again, but I mean, I always need backups. I do my nails so much, it's absolutely ridiculous. I think this might be the last item. And right here we have a nail prep dehydrator and primer. The reason I got this is because I'm running out of my dehydrator. And wait until you see how nice these bottle sizes are. That's the primer right here. It's so big. I can't wait to try it out. I do have an Apres primer open right now, but again, always good to have backups. And here's the dehydrator. Exactly what I was looking for. And it came in a set with a solid glue gel. Like I needed another one, but what are you gonna do? Look how nice. Nice and big. I'm so, so pleased with all this stuff. So pleased. It has a squeezy top. I can't wait to use all this stuff. Here I am just setting it up because I'm going to take my little picture at the end. So here is literally everything I got. Nothing came messed up. Everything came perfect.